Welcome back Truck and Riders. Today we are going to see two interesting products from Truck and Ride. These are our thigh bags for motorcycle riders. We have one model, this model in black color, and this is a different model in camouflage color. Now let's see the features of these two models one by one. This is the camouflage model. So let's see how many compartments this has got. This is one top compartment, zip compartment. Then there is another compartment, another zip compartment like this. So this is the second compartment, and this will get closed like this. But the most important feature of this bag is the main compartment, which is kind of a secret compartment. Apart from these two compartments which you have seen, the main compartment is on the side. So this is the main compartment. This is the biggest among the three, and as you can see, this is a volume wise also, this is the biggest. So you won't be able to see this main compartment without a closer look. This is the compartment. Also inside the main compartment you can see another pocket here for documents or any small items, your passport or your Aadhaar card or any other documents, you can have this compartment. So there is another interesting slot given here like this. So this is a phone slot actually. So the advantage of that is if you keep the phone inside that one, so any other sharp objects, a multi-tool or a small spanner or those kind of things, this won't touch the phone, and you can avoid the phone getting scratched. So with this three compartment you can easily manage your items. Let's say your hard disk easily can go in this one. Now this compartment, maybe this can hold your wallet, any other small pouch, maybe an action camera. Maybe here you can keep your power bank, your selfie stick, those things you can easily keep here. Still it has more space, so even a half-liter juice, half-liter water bottle, anything can get inside this. So then you close it like this. It's a compact one with the three pouches, and we'll show you how to wear this. So this is the waist belt for this thigh bag. This is adjustable. You can adjust the length of this waist belt, and this is the second belt. This is the thigh belt. So this has got an elastic, plus it's also adjustable here. Little bit adjustment on this side. This is how it is getting closed. Now let's try this one. So this one you can wear on your right side like this, or your left side like this. So I'm going to put it on the right side like this. So once you fix the waist belt, then the thigh belt you can wear it. Since the elastic is there, it's comfortable, it will get stretched. So further tightening, in case needed, you can just use this end here to tighten it. So this is the camouflage model thigh bag. This is the look and feel of the thigh bag on your leg. So the advantage of a thigh bag while riding is that this won't distract you, unlike a waist pouch or a fanny pack, because that will be in your front. This will be on your thigh, on the side, and the position also you can move little bit this side or little bit this side, so whichever is comfortable for you. So while riding, this is not going to hinder you, this is not going to disturb you while riding. You can ride comfortably with this thigh bag. So now let's see the other model. This is the second model thigh bag. compared to the earlier one which you just saw, this is a more compact model. So this is in black color. This also has got some unique features. So this is the main compartment which can be opened like this, and again here also we have given a separate sleeve here. The basic idea is that in case you want to keep your phone, so that can be kept inside, like so it can avoid getting scratched from any other sharp objects in the main compartment. So this is also big enough stuff, probably a lot of stuff you can keep it here. So you can keep your action camera, maybe your wallet here, and your a selfie stick, or even since space is there you can put a selfie stick here like this. So hard disk here, power bank. With all these things you can easily close this main compartment. Still, as you can see, this got still space to keep maybe a small water bottle, you know, or some snacks, chocolate bar or biscuits. This got enough space. Apart from the main compartment, this also comes with a small compartment like this. Maybe some coins, you know, like your license or Aadhaar card or any other documents you can fold and, you know, keep it nicely inside this. Another interesting feature of this thigh bag is we have given a ring like this, a dog hook like this here, this side a ring. So once you are off your bike, in fact if you want to attach your key, either you can do like this here, so key will be secured on the thigh bag like this, or in case you want to keep it on the ring this side, if you got a dog hook on this side, you can keep it like this also. So that is another interesting feature of this thigh bag. And okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you, the last point, we have given elastic ropes like this here. So the main purpose of this is when you are off the bike, you can, the one thing you may easily forget is your riding glove. So you're going to a tea store or just going for food in some highway dhabas, you can easily keep your gloves here. So this is adjustable depending on the glove size. You can make it bigger or smaller with this adjuster like this. Like the other thigh bag, this also has got a waist strap like this. It's also adjustable with a elastic band here so that you can hold it securely. So let's see how to put this one. This also either on this either on the right side or on the left side, you can wear it, no problem. So I'm putting it here. So the waist belt is secured, then the thigh strap is also adjustable. So here also inside you can see elastic is given, so you can for comfort fit. So that's it. So now it is secured. So this also you can move a little bit to the front or a little bit to the side. So on the bike it look like this. So in case you want to keep it to the front a bit, you can do that. So comfortable while riding, no issues. Snug fit on the body. This is on the side, little bit to the back. It's also comfortable. Don't disturb your movement, and it will be tight fit to the body without any problem. That's all for today's video. Let's meet again with another interesting product.